While creating a document, sometimes we want a product bundle instead of separate products. For that, we can use a product group. Let's take an example to understand how a product group can be used. We have a customer who has a driving learning school. When he requests an exam ticket, he has to pay €35 to the government with 0% VAT. This customer also includes a €30 administration cost with 21% VAT. With a product group, the customer can create a product group called examination and select show product group name. With a total price of €65 including VAT. With help of product group, he can hide the €30 administration cost and sell this as a package. Without a product group, the customer has to create 2 lines on the invoice and show his administration cost. Firstly, we look at how to create a product group. To create a product group, go to Products, Groups. Fill out all the details such as the name of the product group and select the products we would like to group. Here is the slider for the Show Product Group. When activated, the product group name will be displayed on the document rather than separate group lines. If stock management is enabled for the product, the stock level is reduced for all individual products, depending on the stock management settings for that specific product. Create any document such as an invoice and choose the customer and product group. Now if you do a print preview, the product group will expand into separate product lines. Sometimes we want to show the group name on the document instead of separate product lines. Then enable the Show Product Group switch for that. Please visit Invoice office for more videos and explanations.